In progress.
Hi, bitch. Ay, hi. Joke lang. Hi, guys. Welcome to. Anyway, so paprove natin yung theorem 1.5.3 kasi this theorem was, ano ba? Oh my God, may English not Englishing. Basta, yung theorem na to iniwan para exercise. Left as an exercise. So, paprove natin siya using theorem 1.5.1. Ano ba yung theorem 1.5.1? So, this is, um, wait, asa na yun? Theorem 1.5.1. Ito, the union of arbitrary collection of open sets is open. So kung mayroon ka arbitrary collection of open sets, so pwedeng finite yung collection mo or pwedeng infinite. Pag ni-unite mo yung mga open sets na yun, it's still open. Tapos, yung second is the intersection of finite collection of open sets is open. So dapat yung collection mo is finite lang kasi pag infinite yan, hindi yan mag-hold. And ang counterexample ng infinite, so bakit hindi siya mag-hold kapag infinite is the intersection, ang pangit, ang pangit ng sorry po, wait lang. Wala pa po akong penta. I'm so sorry guys. Bibili ako soon. So ayan. So this infinite intersection ng mga open interval, -1 over n up to 1 over n. So this is infinite. Tapos yung kukunin mo yung mga intersection niyan na mga open interval. Again, yung mga open interval, those are open sets. So lahat ng open interval ay open sets. So mga open yan. Tapos meron ka infinite. Kasi infinite. Tapos ang intersection niya is just the singleton containing zero. Is the singleton is a singleton pala. Is a singleton containing zero. And ang singleton is not open kasi wala kang mahanap na epsilon neighborhood na subset ng singleton. Yes. Okay. Let's go. And ayun pala, may gagamitin din pala akong very important law or identity from Math 101 is De Morgan's. Kasi as you recall De Morgan's, kung mayroon akong A union B, let A and B be sets. So, A union B, tapos kukunin ko yung complement niyan. So, yung complement, so gamit ka rin C. C. So, yung complement niyan is just equal to A complement intersection B complement. So, this is by De Morgan. So, yan yung gagamitin natin later. Kasi very important yan. Yeah. Diyan iikot yung proof. Punta tayo sa kabilang beamer. Yes. So, tinype ko na kasi nakakatamad mag-type habang nag-explain pala. Nai-realize ko kasi tumatagal yung video. Anyway, so the union of finite collection of closed sets is closed. So what are your assumptions? So syempre, pag proving, identify, ano yung given ka? Ang given ka is finite collection of closed sets. So this is my given. So ano yung kailangan ko ipakita? Na yung union ng yung mga closed sets na yun ay closed. So that's what I want to show. So syempre, ito yung given mo. So ito na yung given. Let the set containing F1, F2 up to Fn be a finite collection of closed sets. So ayan, meron akong given. So meron daw akong finite collection. Bakit finite? Kasi nabibilang ko siya. F1, F2, F hanggang Fn. So nabibilang ko siya. Tapos, yung bawat member ng set na to, which is F1, F2, up to Fn, ay mga closed sets. So again, sige, lagyan natin. So, Fi's are closed sets for all I, for all 1, LEQ, I, LEQ, N. So, yeah. So, yung laman ng set na to ay mga closed set. So, ibig sabihin, to expound ko lang siya. So, Fi's are closed sets for all I less than or equal to 1 up to n. So, ibig sabihin lang yan, yung mga F1, F2 hanggang Fn by close. Tapos, gagamit tayo ng definition. Yes. Ito yung closed set. A set F, subset of reals, is closed if and only if its complement is an open set. So yung mga Fi ko ay closed. So, yung mga complement niyan ay open. So, ibig sabihin, yung F1 is closed, di ba? Yung complement ng F1 is F1C. So, yung by definition, F1C is open. Sa same as follows. So, F2C is open, FNC is open. So, that's by the, ano ba to? Definition. So, mayroon kang open set. So, ito na, open na yan. By theorem 1.5.1, balikan natin siya. Anong sinasabi niya? The intersection daw ng finite collection of open sets is open. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Theorem 1.5.1, chapter 2, number 2. So, by theorem 1.5.1, this one is open. So, ibig sabihin na to guys, yung notation na to, in-intersect ko tong lahat ng to. So, sige, expand natin yung notation para clear. Yung notation na to, this is equal to, wait. Ayan, yung notation na yan, this is equal to, i-intersect ko yung F1C with F2C, F2C hanggang FNC. So, intersection, ellipsis, dot, intersection, F, and C. So, yan na yung meaning ng notation na yan. So, shortcut lang siya neto. So, kasi syempre, ang hectic naman kasi susulat mo to, di ba? So, yeah. So, yan lang yun. Yes. So, yung Tura 1.5.1, yung FI ko, yung FIC, itong FIC, faculty in charge, yung FIC, this FIC ay open. Open to. Tapos finite to kasi I goes from 1 to n. So pag kinuha kay intersection, this whole set is open. Itong kabuuang set na to ay open by theorem 1.5.1. So ayan lang yung sinasabi niya, is open. Tapos, gagamitin ko yung De Morgan. So by De Morgan's, this set is equal to dito. So kung babalikan natin yung in-illustrate ko kanina, yung ano nga yun, A union B, yung the complement of A union B, bibili na akong pen tab. So, mahal kasi. Baka may gusto po mag-sponsor, yes. Di ba? Calling all sponsors. Yeah, so, equal lang siya dyan. Yes. So, etong part na to, etong A union BC na yan, eto lang yun. This one is it. So, eto, same lang siya dyan. Ang pinagkaiba lang is eto kasi may n sets ka. So, kumbaga may n terms. Eto kasi dalawa lang, A at B. So, eto may n ka. So, n yung terms mo. Pero same lang yan. Eto naman, yung kahawig na to is this. This. Eto. Pero pinagkaiba, ito, dalawa lang kasi. Dalawa lang to, ito ay n. So, basta same lang yan. So, parang generalized version siya ng De Morgan's. And may proof yan. Ayan. So, by De Morgan's, true yan. So, ang gagawin natin, this one is open. So, syempre, kung open to, since equal yan, edi ito ay open. Ngayon, gagamitin natin yung proposition. Where is it? Where is it? Andyan yan. Andyan yan. Proposition 1.5.3. A set O is open if and only if OC is closed. So, yung complement niya, so kung open to, edi yung complement niya is closed. So, gagawin ko is kukunin ko yung complement nito. So, ito yon. Yung complement nito, kukunin ko. Tapos, yung complement lang nito is just this. So, bakit? Ano daw? Ano nangyari dyan? So if you recall from what 101, pero akong set A. Let A be a set. So, may complement niyan, AC. Tapos kukunin ko yung AC, yung complement ng AC. Yung complement ng AC is just A. So this is sa law sa 101. Ano yan? Double complementation. So ang kahawig niya para sa logic for logic people is yung negation nung statement P. So 'di ba mayroon ka not P. Yung not P is equivalent sa logically equivalent sa P. So yan lang yung nangyari diyan. So it's just the same principle. Yeah. So ibig sabihin by double complementation law, yung complement nito is ito lang din. So open to. Tapos, yung complement niya is close kasi by definition, ayun na, kung open daw si O, edi OC is close. So ito ay close. Thus, this one is close. This set, close yan. Kung close yan, actually yan na yun. That's what we want to show. Kasi, ano si FI? FI ay mga closed sets. Ito yun. Asa na yun? FIs are close. Ito yun. FIs are close. Tapos, ano yung gusto pakita? Union ng finite collection of closed sets. Union, ito union. Bakit finite? Kasi I go from 1 to n. So close, and we're done. Tapos na. That's the end of theorem 1.5.3, number 1. Tapos yung number 2, ano ba yung number 2 nito? Number 2, theorem 1.5.3, number 2. Ito, the intersection of arbitrary collection of closed sets is closed. Same structure ng proof, pero syempre, medyo kakaiba. Pero sige na, ipakita na natin. Pero in essence, medyo same lang sila. Sige. So, di ko na type yung proof niyan. So, sige. So, gawin natin one-on-one. One-on-one. The intersection of arbitrary collection of closed sets is closed. So, medyo same, pero syempre may pagkakaiba. So, okay. Let Fi. So, ang pagkakaiba niyan is ito. Arbitrary collection of closed sets. So, wait lang. It's still loading. It's loading, guys. It's loading. Oh no, it's tagal. Okay. So, eto na. Ito na yung itsura ng collection mo. Bakit ganito yung itsura? Kasi nga, sabi, arbitrary. Kasi yung kanina, it's finite, 1 to n. Ito, hindi ko sure kung finite to. Kasi yung I na yan, it's an index. So, yung index set mo, pwedeng finite, pwedeng infinite. So, to be sure, kasi nga arbitrary. Arbitrary tayo eh. Okay. So, be an arbitrary collection of closed sets. So, Fi. Lang pa. So, Fi's are closed for all. Okay, baguhin natin to. Ito yung magbabago dyan. Kasi nga, hindi natin mabibilang. I in I. It's still loading. Ayan, so ibig sabihin, lahat daw ng FIs ay close. Then, yung mga complement ng FIs ay open. Pero syempre, babaguhin natin yan. Kasi nga, hindi ko alam kung nabibilang ko ba siya or hindi. Then FIs are open sets where I is in I. And, ay mali. Ba't may guys, yung I dyan, hindi siya imaginary ha. Ay yung I na sa complex numbers. Ba't pala hindi ba ko yung notation? Pero ayun lang, yung disclaimer. Yung I dyan, it's not the I, yung I squared equals -1. So hindi siya yan. Yeah, mali ako. Dapat pala hindi ko siya ginawang I, dapat ginawang K. Sorry. Anyway, so, by 2 and 1.5.1, meron ako arbitrary. So yun yung gagamitin ko. Kasi arbitrary collection of, so yun, matatanggal to. Instead, kasi nga, hindi ko alam kung nabibilang ko ba siya. FIC is open. Wait lang. It's still loading. Loading. Huh? What happened? Ano nangyari dyan? Oh no. Okay. Wait lang. Hmm. Wait. Ayan. So napansin nyo, di ba, hindi na siya I equals 1 to N kasi nga, hindi tayo sure kung finite yung collection kasi arbitrary. So to be safe, let's generalize it. So, then FIs are open sets where FIC, ayun pala FIC. FIC are open, FIC yan, FIC, hindi siya FI. FIC. So yung definition, kasi yung laman, kasi yung mga FI na yan ay closed. So yung complement ng FI ay open sets. So by theorem 1.5.1, yung union, where is it? Yung union nila ay union of arbitrary collection of open set is open. It's open. Tapos by De Morgans, syempre mababago din tong identity na to. Wait. Big cap, no. Big FIC, I. Wait lang guys. Oh, yeah, di ba? Ito yung trail kapag ang tawag doon, on the spot. Ayan. So by the Morgans, ayan. So yan lang din yan. Okay, so asan na ako? This one is open. Equal siya dito. Ito, equal dito. So ito is open. Open to. This one is open. Tapos same process, gamitin natin yung definition and double complementation. So syempre, mababago din yung nasa loob. Wait. Asan ako? And same process. Same process. Ay, mali at wait lang. Ano yung binago ko? May binago ko eh. Ay, hindi. Kayo. Wait lang. Nalilito na ako, guys. Wait lang yung mata ko. Don't worry, explain natin to ulit pag natapos ko to i-type. Okay. So, this one is open. Ito open, kasi equal siya dito. Kukunin ko yung complement niyan by double complementation. Ito lang yon. Since ang open to, edi yung complement niya is close. So, tapos na. Actually, tapos na yung proof. Yun na yun. Kasi yun ang gusto mo pakita eh. Intersection of arbitrary collection of closed sets is closed. Ano yung FI? FIs ko ay closed. My FIs are closed. Tapos, arbitrary yan kasi I is from index set. Yung I na yan, hindi mo sure kung finite or infinite. So that's arbitrary. Tapos kung naman intersection nila, so meron kang intersection, arbitrary collection ng closed sets, tapos i-intersect mo, tapos close daw siya. So tapos ito yung proof ng theory 1.5.3, number 2. So ulit, let's recap this. So recap ko tong part nito kasi ito yung on the spot. Anyway, so assumptions. Your assumption is meron kang arbitrary collection of closed sets. What is your goal? Your conclusion is to show yung intersection ng collection ng closed set. Yung intersection ng mga closed sets sa loob ng collection is closed. Okay. So, ang una mong gagawin is mag-define ka ng arbitrary collection. So, ito yon. Let the set containing FIs, where I is from the index set I, be an arbitrary collection of closed sets. So, bakit siya arbitrary? Kasi yung I mo dyan, pwedeng finite, pwedeng infinite. So, kunwari, pwedeng F1, F2, F3. O, edi tatlo lang. O, pwedeng F1, F2, F2, F3 hanggang Fn, edi hanggang N. E, paano kung infinite? Kaya F1, F2, F3, up to Fn. Tapos may Fn plus 1, Fn plus 2, up to so on. So, infinite na yon. So, pwede kasi ganun yung collection mo. Kaya yung I is in I, so arbitrary yan. So, be an arbitrary collection of closed sets. So, sa lahat ng FI na laman ng set na to ay close. Tapos, by definition ng closed sets, yung complement nila ay open. So, FICs are open kasi nga, yung complement na FI ay open by definition. So, where I is from I. Tapos, by theorem 1.5.1, open to. So, pag kinuha ko yung unions nila, ay open din yan. Kasi this is an arbitrary collection this is a union of arbitrary collection of open sets. So, it's open. Tapos by De Morgans, ito yun. So guys, huwag niyo kalimutan yung De Morgans ha. Kasi yan yung heart, kumbaga yan yung essence ng proof. Kumbaga yan yung gateway mo para maitawid yung theorem, yung proof ng theorem. So, by De Morgans, ito yun. So, ito ay open. So, dahil equal siya dito, open to. Kasi equal, open. Ngayon, gagamitin ko yung proposition. Yung proposition is that, kung meron kang open set, edi yung complement ng open na yon is closed. Asan yun? Balikan natin. Ito. A set O is open if and only if OC is closed. Open daw to. Eh di yung complement niyan is closed. So, kukunin yung complement. So, ito yon. Kukunin ko yung complement, pero by double complementation, it's closed. Kasi nga, di ba, kung na AC raised to AC, no. Yung complement ng AC ay A. So, parang yun lang nangyari dyan. So, this is open. Yung complement niya is ito. So, dahil open to, yung complement na, which is ito, close. Which is your goal. Yan na yun. Kasi meron kang intersection. Yan yung one to show mo. Intersection ng FI. Pero saan galing ano ba si FI? FIs ay mga closed sets. Saan galing sa FI? Sa arbitrary collection ng closed sets. So, tapos na. Kasi yung intersection mo ng mga FI, where FI is from the arbitrary collection of closed sets, ay close daw. Edi, tapos na. That's it. Pero syempre, isulat nyo na lang maayos. Pero that's the essence of the proof. And yeah, so tiring. Pero it's worth it. Di ba? Like, ito na yung for fun. Proving for practice and for fun. Yeah. Iba na yung definition ko ng fun. Junior Maha is very proud. Iba na yung definition niya ng fun. Yes. Dito na ako nag enjoy kasi. Well, pero syempre mahirap pa din siya. Pero kasi may thrill ang proving. Like, alam mo yung, mahirap siya. Pero pag nagawa mo siya, alam mo, may thrill. Like, yes. Something like that. Or ewan ko, kung baka ako lang. Ang weird ko naman kung ako lang gano'n. Anyway, yeah. Ayun lang. Bye.